Are you a programmer trying to make money online? Well, congrats! You've clicked the right video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 ways that you can make money coding without getting the job. Number 1, freelance. This is the most popular and easiest way to start making money coding online. It's easy because you just sign up with several freelance websites, complete your profile, and find projects you can complete. It's a good idea to fully complete your freelance profile because employers will look at your past work, experience, qualifications, and other things listed on your profile. As you complete more projects, you earn more positive reviews, and you'll be able to charge more money and find more work. Here are some other benefits of working as a freelance coder online. You can work from a cafe, on the road, at home, or anywhere you want to. You can work the hours you want to. You can develop a relationship with the people that hire you. In this way, they'll keep on giving you more and more new work. You can select the projects you want to work with, those that interest you the most. As your reputation improves by getting more positive reviews, you can charge more money than what you'd get as an employee doing the same work. Getting the first few jobs is the hardest part because you start with no ratings and reviews. You can bid less for projects at first just to get some positive reviews. 2. Start your own programming blog. The advantage of this method is that not only will you be making money, but you'll also be making yourself a name in the programming community. In addition to building your personal brand, I am a strong believer that you can't fully learn something until you teach it. With a programming blog, you'll be teaching others about programming while improving as a programmer yourself. All that while making money at the same time. And it doesn't have to be expensive. You can start your WordPress blog today for as little as the price of a cup of coffee. But wait a minute, how can you make money from your programming blog? You can monetize your blog in several ways. First, advertisements. The first method is to put ads on your blog. If you don't know where to start, you can always start with Google AdSense. Google allows you to put Google ads on your site and get a share of the ad revenue every time one of your readers view or click on the ad. Second, being an affiliate. You can try to set up your own affiliate system by selling other people's products. For example, you can sign up with Amazon Associates and start selling any Amazon product on your blog. When you sign up, Amazon will give you a referral link that you can use on your blog. If your readers go to Amazon through your referral link and buy anything from Amazon, you get a commission. Since your readers are interested in programming, you should always suggest products that are valuable to programmers like programming, books, and software. Third, selling your own products. Selling your own products on your blog requires the most work, but it brings in the most money. Once you set up the products you want to sell and do everything on your end, your blog will continue to passively make money for you. Make sure that your product aligns well with your readers. Your products should be valuable to programmers and computer scientists. For example, you can sell books about programming and the developer's career. 3. Create a YouTube channel. YouTube, it's one of the most visited websites in the entire world. And you can definitely earn some cash from your YouTube channel by growing your subscriber base. For example, you can create videos showing people tutorials and tips on coding. The more subscribers you have, the more views you'll get, and the more money you'll earn. Now, when it comes to monetization, making money on YouTube isn't very different from making money on your blog. You can also monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or selling your own products. 4. Develop apps. Apps have potential to make you a lot of money, but there is a huge if statement that has to be made here. In order to make money with apps, you need to have a good idea. If the idea isn't that great, chances are that there won't be any money made. The best example of this is Flappy Bird. The app could have been made by a 13-year-old, since it isn't complex by any means. However, the idea of Flappy Bird turned out to be a fantastic one. It reported $50,000 per day of advertising income at its prime time. So, take advantage of your programming skills and start transforming your ideas into apps. Then you can start making money by 1. Sell it directly on platforms such as Code Canyon or Flippa. 2. Put Google ads. 3. Monthly paid membership. Number 5. Teach others what you have learned. When you learn coding and web development, you acquire skills that thousands of others will learn after you. There are many beginner codes that are looking for answers to the same questions you had just a while ago. So why not help your fellow programmers with your knowledge? You don't have to be the best programmer in the world to help others. You simply need to be one step ahead of someone to help them, right? So any information you have about coding is valuable to someone else. You can literally teach anyone. even if it's just helpful tips for learning or getting started with coding. And the good news is, it's super easy to publish books, courses, and tutorials these days. Here are a few powerful platforms you can use for creating and publishing your own online coding courses: Udemy, Skillshare, Teachable, or you can use the YouTube platform for publishing your own video tutorials. And you can use Amazon Kindle for creating and selling your own books to your global audience. Conclusion: there are so many ways to make money online as a programmer. You can create a full-time income with any of these methods that help you get paid to code. But I've got to be honest, just like in any other job, you need to put in some effort, figure out what you like, and make them work for you. Good luck to all programmers who are trying to make some money online. How are you making money online today as a programmer? Please let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.